Criminal activity facilitated via the Internet and cyberspace. Dr. Frank Kardasz. This short lecture discusses criminal activity facilitated through the Internet and cyberspace. Introduction. Cybercrime is any activity involving a computer, network, or network device for criminal means. The Internet's speed, convenience, anonymity, and lack of borders make computer-based variations of financial crimes such as ransomware, fraud, and money laundering, as well as crimes such as stalking and bullying, easier to carry out. Cybercriminal activity may be carried out by individuals or groups with relatively little technical skill, or by highly organized global criminal groups that may include skilled developers and others with relevant expertise. Cyber-organized criminals have engaged in a variety of cybercrimes, including fraud, hacking, malware creation and distribution, DDoS attacks, blackmail, and intellectual property crime. Furthermore, cyber-organized criminals have utilized information and communication technology to facilitate various forms of traditionally offline organized crime activities, such as the smuggling of migrants and trafficking in persons, wildlife, drugs, firearms, and cigarettes trafficking. To protect hardware and software from cybercrime, businesses can reduce their exposure to it by implementing security measures. Some of these measures include: strong passwords. Passwords must be complex and unique, with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Passwords should be changed regularly. Two-factor or multi-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to the login process by requiring users to provide two forms of identification. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption can be used to protect sensitive data such as financial information and personal data. Firewalls. Firewalls are software or hardware devices that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Firewalls can be used to block unauthorized access to a network. Antivirus software. Antivirus software can detect and remove malware from a computer system. Antivirus software should be updated regularly to ensure that it can detect the latest threats. Regular backups. Regular backups of data can help to prevent data loss in the event of a cyber attack. Backups should be stored in a secure location. Conclusion. Cybercrime is a growing concern. Cybercriminals use the Internet and cyberspace to commit a variety of crimes, including fraud, hacking, malware creation and distribution, DDoS attacks, blackmail, and intellectual property crime. To protect hardware and software from cybercrime, businesses can implement security measures such as strong passwords, two-factor authentication, encryption, firewalls, antivirus software, and regular backups. While it may not be possible to completely eradicate cybercrime and ensure complete Internet security, businesses can take steps to reduce their exposure to it.